What is ethnocentrism and relativism? So, there are the two ideas we're going to discuss are ethnocentrism and cultural relativism. So, ethnocentrism is the idea that one's own culture is the main standard by which other cultures may be measured. And the second one is cultural relativism, is the belief that the culture of people serves particular needs and must be looked at in terms of the world the people inhabit. So first, ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism's thinking one's own group's ways are inferior to other or judging other groups as inferior to one's own. The second is ethnics, refers to cultural heritage. Third, centrism, refers to the central starting point. So, ethnocentrism basically refers to judging other groups from our own cultural point of view. Who or what culture is more likely to be ethnocentric? Everybody is all ethnocentric, as all of us around the world assume things about other people's ways. The question is, why are we ethnocentric? It emphasizes that we make false assumptions based on our own limited experience. This is all we know, what we have already experienced. Is the basis for our reality what we expect? It is normal to assume it is the natural basis of reality because our own ways work for us. According to William Graham Sumner, ethnocentrism is defined as the technical name for the view of things in which one's own group is the center of everything, and all others are scaled and rated with reference to it. And then, William Graham Sumner, he is the first professorship in sociology at Yale College. He created when coining the term ethnocentrism. He also the anti-imperialist. Ethnocentrism, as sociologist William Graham Sumner in 1906 described the term, involves a belief or attitude that one's own culture is better than all others. Cultural relativism was in part a response to Western ethnocentrism. In other words, cultural relativism is the idea that a person's beliefs, values, and practices should be understood based on that person's own culture rather than be judged against the criteria of another. Generalizations. First, ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism is the term anthropologists use to describe the options that one's own way of life is natural or correct. Some would simply call it cultural ignorance. Cultural relativism. Cultural relativism refers to not judging a culture to our own standards of what is right or wrong, strange or normal. So, instead, we should try to understand cultural practices of other groups in its own cultural context.